Jay Keener has talked about doing like a little nerve release, the isolated, actually nerve branch to teres minor. For me, I don't do anything with it other than realize that, hey, when they have that, they are going to have a harder time coping with the loss of the infraspinatus. Like to me, it doesn't change my management other than make me be more aggressive with any, attempted repair of the posterior cuff. What do you think, Peter? What are you seeing on there?
Yeah, I mean, I think the thing that's really interesting here is the infraspinatus muscle is good. Like we do not have a lot of atrophy in the infraspinatus. And for me, the lower trapezius is a procedure that's mostly for patients that don't have a good motor, like where I need another motor. And here's the patient where I don't have a problem with the motor, I just need more tendon. So to me, like if I'm going to do repair, I would be more likely to add a patch to try and give us a more robust tendon repair, to try and add more tendon and hopefully increase the biomechanical strength of our constructed time zero, instead of connecting another muscle. I think you can argue about the Achilles and its effect there, but I think if you're going to make that argument, like the infraspinatus is a better infraspinatus than the lower trapezius is. That's at least what I would do.